Hello guys, this is Paul Okro here. You're welcome to my another tutorial for today. In case you're joining us for the first time, please do well to like, share, send us your comments. And also don't forget to turn on your notification button so that you'll be the first to see our video and watch. Right, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can model a 3D book right in your Adobe After Effects. Right, so let's get started. So first, what I'll do is to open my After Effects. Okay, so what I'll do is to go to new project, open a new composition. Let's call it 3D book. 3D book. All right, you can leave the settings as they are. I can leave the color, the background color as it is. Let's just hit OK. All right. So what I'm going to do next is to bring in a book. So what I've done is to design this book, or I just got the design. So I've arranged them in Photoshop how they are supposed to be. This is the front, this is the back. Then other things I created was extra layer. If you watch very well, you can see this. So I think I have SS. Let's delete this one. So I have two extra layer I created. This one will be for top, this one will be for bottom, and this one is for our back margin. So those are just the extra layer I created. So I save it as a PSG file. So what I'm going to do now is to go back to my Adobe After Effects, then import the file. So let's go to, let me save this. So I save it as a PSG file. So what I'm going to do now is to import the PSG file. Then to do that, click here, go to document. I think that's where I saved it. Let's go to what's the name? Okay, Ryu book cover. So import it. Then leave the layer editable. Then the import kind. Let's leave it at composition. Okay. So what it will do now is it has created a folder of all the books. Sorry, of all the layer of all the book layer. Then he also created a composition. That was the reason why we enabled that composition. So next thing we are going to do now is to import this particular composition into this our 3D book composition. So having done that, let's scale it down. Hit your S button. Scale it down. Sorry, scale it down maybe 35, 30. Okay, this is okay. So next thing we'll do now is to open it. Okay, having done that, I think you can see all the layers. These were the extra layers I created. This particular background, I don't think we need it, so let's delete it. Okay, so let's label these layers for clarity's sake. Okay, so this is our front cover. Okay, sorry, enter, and let's label it front. And this one, back. And this one, back margin. And this one, front margin. Sorry, top margin. Okay, this one should be front margin, sorry. Then this one, top margin. That means we still need to create another one. That one I deleted was not supposed to be deleted. Top margin. So let me just duplicate this top margin to create our bottom margin. To do that, so call this one bottom margin. Okay. All right. So having done that, the next thing we'll do is to adjust the anchor points. For this, I want the anchor point to be here. Let's hit our Y, or you can use this, click this button here. I want this anchor point to be here. Then for this, which is our back, I want the anchor point to be here. Then for all of these ones, we leave the anchor point the way they are. Then for this top, we bring the anchor point up here. No. Give the anchor point here. Then for this, bring the anchor point here. Yes, all right. See. So let's enable the 3D layer of all the composition. So having done that, let's go to this, click on the rotation. Go to the front, click on rotation, go to Y axis. Click on 90. Change this rotation to 90 degrees. Same with this rotation. Let's click on 90. Come to the bottom or the top, sorry. Let's go to rotation. Then go to this one now, go to the Y rotation. Sorry, the Y axis, sorry. Go to 90, leave it at 90. So with this one, rotation. Sorry, it's X axis, sorry. Okay, so go to X axis, go to this. Okay. All right. So first, let's see what we have here. Let's go back to this. Let's enable this. Let's collapse this. Okay. Let's check the rotation and see what we have so far. See whatever. Okay. Okay. So I think where we got it wrong was, let's go back to this. This is our back here. Instead of making it positive 90, let's make it negative. Go back to rotation. So let's make it 90, negative 90, sorry. Okay. Let's come here, see what we have so far. Seeing it. Seeing it. Boom. Okay. We are making progress. So let's still do one or two adjustments. Okay. Let's open it again. Okay. So now I think why this one is peeling over the top and the bottom margin is because I needed to adjust it. So instead of making it full, like this bottom now, remember this is to cover half of the book. To cover from here to here. So instead of leaving it, instead of making it full from here to here, we are going to make it half. So let's do that. This is our bottom, so we'll adjust this one down. Didn't enable us to do that better. Let's open. Let's adjust. Open this. Go to this. Let's open a save. This so we can be able to see our center where it is. So adjust this down to this point. Okay, and that of the top too, the same thing, but this time around, move from here. Okay, all right. So we enable back this, then go back to, now we can go back to our rotation button. Can make this one, go to rotation, change the y-axis to 90, then top, go to rotation, having done that, let's go back to our rotation. So on the bottom margin, let's click there, go to rotation, go to the x-axis, change it to 90, go to the top margin, go to rotation, x-axis, let's change it to 92. Okay, so let's come here and see what we have. Okay, sorry, I think the x-axis should be of the this top margin, bottom margin should be negative, not this, just the way we had on the front cover. So let's go back here, go to this, to make this one negative 90, sorry. Okay, all right, so let's come here. All right, see, we have our 3D book designed. You can see it. Boom. Okay, so next thing we need to do is to, if you watch very well, you see that there's opening here. So let's cover that. That is why we have the back and the front margin. Okay, so what we'll do now is to come to this place. You have one view, open it, go to the full view. So what we'll do now is to click on this our front margin, which is white. This back one is supposed to adjust instead. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I think it's okay there. All right, so let's go back to one view. Go back to this. So let's see what we have so far. Let me remove this. Let's see what we have. Boom. All right. You can actually do maybe one or two write-up on this place. But okay, so you can see we have our 3D book. Let's just animate it more and see. Go back to 0. All right. So we can see, or let's just leave this at 90. No, minus 90, sorry. Okay. Let me bring in the anchor point to the middle. Hit Y. Okay. Let me just give the anchor point here. Okay. All right. So the reason why I bring it, so if I rotate, just rotate with it, then probably adjust the position of this to the middle here too. And just okay, doesn't work. All right. So let's go to the rotation. Maybe let's say let's enable our keyframe. Let's enable the Y axis keyframe. Let's say at 3 seconds. Let's enable it here. Let's at 3 seconds. Let this thing rotate maybe like 2 times. Okay. That's what we have. Meanwhile, I strongly recommend this book to everyone. It's a must read, to teach you how to realize your real self and live a better version of you. You can get a copy of it at Salvation Ministries website www.smhos.org, or you can visit any of their branches worldwide for a copy of it. Thank you. All right, so this is how you can model a 3D book in Adobe After Effects. And I believe you have learned one or two. So do well to send us your comment of what you think, and don't forget to like, share, and turn on your notification button so that anytime we have a new video like this, you'll be able to see it to watch. Till see you again. Thank you and God bless you.